So hello guys, welcome to Network Winner. So let's start the video guys. Basically in this video, I'm creating a virtual lab through the VMware basically. And first I create a diagram so you can understand clearly. Just give me a second. First we take router 1 and PC1 basically and PC2. Yeah, you can create this lab in Cisco Packet Tracer as well, Cisco CML as well. But I like to create virtual labs, or means I like to use new tools as well, new lab scenarios in new tools. So that's why I like it, and I prefer the VMware. Maybe in future I create more labs in VMware as well, and Cisco CML as well, and Cisco Packet Tracer as well. So, okay, let's start. Just give me a sec. I give the IP now. So this is the IP of the router 1 and it's for PC and it's for router 1 as well for the reference LAN and it's for the PC2. So basically this is the lab scenario and first I have to create Ubuntu server and Linux, sorry, in VMware basically, and you have to create uh, Windows as well, means in VMware. So just give me a second because it take a lot of time. So maybe just maybe I fast forward the video now. So basically, I installed the netbooks in the Ubuntu router 1, Ubuntu server. So means I have config run, means I have config command. So run in the Ubuntu server, no? That's why. And PC1 and PC2, I first get good the screen resolution so we can understand easily. Yeah, now shut down. Now shut down. And one more thing, because we have to download FRRouting. So must just give me a sec. So because I screenshot some commands, so you can understand it very easily. Just give me a sec. How to install? Yeah, that's it. How to install the FRRouting. So basically, sudo apt snapt install something like that. Snapt, yeah, it's done. It's taking us some time, so just do myself. Okay, it's done. Now sudo install sudo apt, sorry, install FRR. It's done. Just give me a sec. Okay. Now we have to use sudo snap. Sorry. Sudo snap install FRR. So we directly install the FRR in the snap. Okay. So now give the core routing command, give the permission to the control the network. So basically this is the command we have to give for the permission to the control the network. So it's a sudo snap network, maybe, I think. Sudo snap connect to FRRouting network, sorry, control code network control. This, I think this is a yeah. Now it's giving the permission. So please wait. Okay, it's done. Yeah, and now sudo vtyssh. You have to get this command to checking. Yeah, it's done. So this is the router one. You can see here. And just give me a sec. Do show IP out because net it directly connect to that router one. That's why. So we have to first power off. Then we have to give the VNet. So basically they can communicate. Okay. Just a sec here. So basically we have to give VMnet 11. But we have VMnet 12 to the PC2 this IP, so they can communicate because this is created the different line. No? So that's why we have give two different VNet. If we give the same VNet, so this is basically in a LAN basically. So we don't have any give to the, so that's why I'm giving that VNet so they can communicate through different network basically because it is a different LAN. If we can write here, so basically it's a LAN A and it's LAN B. So yeah, we have to give that IP, this and this and this. First, we have to give the VNet 11 to PC1, router 1, VLAN 12 to router 1 and PC2. So after giving the IP and a lot of stuff, like we have to off the firewall as well for the pinging, and we have give another command as well. So let's see. But some just give me a sec because I need to pause the video, but I give the solution as well after that because for the copyright issue. Let's see it's done or not. Yeah, it's done. So PC1 and router 1 like this. Just give me a sec. We have to give PC1 to VNet alarm. Then, and now we start the router 1. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see IP address. So there is a at 160, no? ENS 160. So we have to give that IP to 160. I configure here. Just a minute. ENS 160. This is and IPADR. We have to give the ENS 160. So let's do it. Sudo vtyssh for FRRouting. Configure terminal interface ENS. So I think 160, no? 160. Now we have to give the IP address and what is it? 10, no? Okay, then this, and this. We have to give the second now. So done. No check. Exit. And you can also check to show IP route. This is it. Underscore 3 directly connected to ANS 160. Okay. And also you can check here when I starting the PC1, we have also add the VMnet 11 in the PC1. So now start. We have to give the IP. First the CMD IP config. This is a different Apipa IP. So we have to give the our personal private. So through control panel, Actually, I forgot the short form where directly through CMD you can check it. Just give me a sec. So through 10, 1, 1, and as I think 100, no? So 10, the default gateway, I think 1, 1, and 1. Okay, okay. Now close and close, and let's see. Yeah, it's a different, no? So let's ping the default gateway means router 1, 10.1.1, and now it's pinging. So let's check from router 1 to ping 10 1 dot, sorry, ping 10.1.100 now. So it's not pinging. Why? Because the issue is the firewall. So we have to first off the firewall. Just give me a sec. And now there is an option. Now turn off, and okay, it's done. So now start. Yeah, it's done. Thinking now. So it's okay. Means router 1 and PC 1 configured. But we have to add one network as well. So we have to first shut power off the router 1 as well. So give me a sec because I have to cut that portion of video due to copyright. But somewhere I add how to do it. Okay. So and now can check here network adapter 2 and 3 VLAN VMnet 11 and 12. So now let's start and the PC2 as well because we have to give the VMnet 12 for that connection to a different LAN. So just give me a check and it's done and power on the virtual machine. Okay, now get the path. So let's jump. I have config 160. Sorry, actually I forgot the write the command, na? So that's why. So now just give the sudo ptysh to the password, configure terminal, interface ENS 160, IP address 10.1.1, I think, and the subnet mask 8, no shut, do right. And exit and exit and exit, and now you can see just if config. This is the 160 and this is the IP, but we have to give another one sudo. Sorry, actually we have to face. So let's recreate. So and one more thing means IP idea. Let's check ENS 192. It's for the VMnet 12. So this is for here. Just give me a sec. ENS. Sorry. ENS 132. It's 32, no? No, it's 92, 90. Okay, it's done now. So, yeah. So, now get the IP, sudo vtysh, configure terminal, interface, ENS 192, and now IP 172.168.16, or it's another one. One. Okay, so let's say dot one. Sorry, dot one and 16. No shut to write show IP. Sorry. Oh, just to miss although and just let me do only because in the part you can't see. So just to like here now. So do vtysh do show IP. Oh, yeah. So basically ENS92 directly connected 172.168 network and ENS60 directly connected to the 10.0.0.0.08 directly connected. Okay. So if we can check the IP IF config 160, 190, 190 to this and 160 first, we ping the route PC1, sorry. So 10 or 100. It's done working, na? Okay, so for let's configure the PC2 as well. First CMD IP config. This is the pipa. So we have to give the another control panel, network sharing, local properties, IPv4 172.168.1.100. And now we give the default IP 68 and 1. Then okay, close and cancel and close and check where this is. So now ping 172.168.1.1. It's pinging low. So let's check with the router. Ping 172.168.100. Okay, it's not pinging. Why? Same answer. The window firewall, basically. So first turn off. Okay, and now check the router 1. It's done. It's pinging. So how? And through router 1, if we ping the PC1 as well, 10.1.100, it's pinging. But now let's try to PC1 to PC2 and PC2 to PC1. Let's see if it is done or not. Ping 172.168.1.100 maybe now. It's not pinging. So let's say why. Ping 110.1.100. It's not pinging. Why? I give it the answer. Just a sec, because sometimes in FRRouting, na, the issue with here, we have to enable the IP forwarding on router. That's why. So now let's try on router 1, clear sudo sys tcl, maybe ctl, sorry, ctl -w net.ipv4. We have to give that command for on the IPv forwarding. Forward, na? Just a minute, recheck it. ctl -w net.ipv4.ip underscore forward is equal to 1. Okay. Sorry. Now, sorry. If this is okay now. So let's start from, yeah, it's pinging now. So basically this is the lab I create. If you like the video, so please click the subscribe button and the like button and the share button, and please follow now network beginner. This is basically a virtual lab which helps to not get to be like paid software. I don't want to mention the software as well, because you all know there are a lot of paid versions of all software. But inside the FRRouting, we check FRRouting. So here, as you can see, free range of FRRouting is a network routing software suite, basically running on Unix-like platforms, particularly Linux. And basically, just give me a sec. It implements BGP, OSPF, RIP. So you have to not to do anything. Na? Basically, it's a free version. You can directly do it. So there is not to pay anything for anybody. You use this protocols and this. So you like it. So please, if you like the video, then please subscribe, like, share, and good day. Thank you all of you.